Hi folks. Tonight I'm on my way to Kampong Bharu, which is a small residential area within Kuala Lumpur itself. It's the oldest area in town, and well, actually I don't know if it's the oldest area, but it is one area of town that has not been built up into office buildings or skyscrapers or anything else like that. In fact, that's what makes it mostly unusual, is that it is a residential small village type area that exists within the larger city itself. My mission here tonight is to find a snack called Apam Balik, and I'll show you what that is if I find it. If I don't find it, I'll tell you what it is later. But it was an unusually long day of coding. Very successful, but long, and I think if I look at a computer screen for one more minute tonight, I'll scream. So I'm just about 2 kilometers away from where I live. There's a lot of snacks here, as there is in any Malaysian town, and I'm on the hunt for some Apam Balik. Air Tebu is, I believe, sugarcane water, and Air Kalapa is coconut water. And these are two very famous drinks that you can get on the street. You run into these little stands all over Kuala Lumpur selling these drinks. Most people don't think of burgers when they think of Malaysia, but Malaysia has some of the best burgers that you can buy on the street that I've ever had. And until I came here, I never even thought of putting an egg on top of a burger. So if you ever come here, besides all the other food that you hear about, make sure you try a Malaysian street burger. The word kampong in English means something like village, and you usually find kampongs in rural areas, and they're mostly residential. Any businesses there are small shops, mostly a rural area with activities like farming, cattle, things like that. But as you can see, Kampong Bharu is right in the shadow of the Petronas Towers, which are about 1.5–2 kilometers away from where we are right now. That's what makes the land in this area so incredibly valuable. It's largely a 4 by 4 kilometer square area that has been undeveloped since the city sprang up with skyscrapers, highways, underground transport, etc. I'm kind of disappointed. I haven't found any Apam Balik yet, and I thought this would be the perfect time of day to actually find some of that on the street. It's more of a nighttime snack than during the day or morning. So it's about 6:30 or 7 p.m. and I still haven't found any, but I still have quite a ways to look. So hopefully I'll be successful. Well, it's my lucky night. I have found Apam Balik. And you can see it's dough made into something like a pancake, and it has sugar, peanuts, and cream corn as ingredients. What time do you start?
Ya.
Apa pukul cooking?
Pukul 2.
Sehingga?
9.
9. Okay. Berapa?
3 ringgit, 2 ringgit.
2?
2 ringgit.
2 ringgit semua?
Ya.
Semua 3. Okay. I have my Apam Balik, so I'm a happy man. If my mother were here though, she would scold me for filling up on junk or ruining my dinner. So I think I might have to get something substantive to eat before I enjoy my Apam Balik. Berapa? Hah? 12. That is 12 ringgit for a bag of Malaysian deliciousness. Burger is sedap. It certainly looks good. If you come to Malaysia, you will see things like this on tables in restaurants. This is a convenient way for the national dish of nasi lemak to travel. So anytime you see little pyramids of wrapped rice paper or something like that, these are filled with nasi lemak. And you take one, they're usually 1 or 2 ringgits, and you've got a quick meal on the go. I have my Apam Balik and my beef burger, and I'm going to head back to my apartment and I'll show you what they look like there. Behind me you can see the Kampong Bharu mosque. I forget the name of it, but it's the main mosque within Kampong Bharu, and right now it's prayer time, which explains why the prayer call is going on. Okay, I'm back at my apartment now, and it's time to take a look at my Malaysian burger and my Apam Balik. First, we'll do the burger. It comes equipped with its own napkin, a spike to hold everything together, plastic bag which you can put everything in when you're finished, because you'll need it. You'll see what I mean in a second. And this is it. This is the burger. This has everything. And it's a gooey mess. It looks terrible, but it tastes wonderful. See if we can take this apart here. It's a bun. It's got mayonnaise. It's got some kind of chili sauce. It looks like barbecue sauce. Looks like some kind of pickles. They make pickles out of different kinds of things here. And there's cheese on it. There's an egg. And then at the bottom of all that, you can't tell, there's beef. I'm not going to eat it because after the first bite, I'd probably have to take my shirt off. And I don't want to do that in the video. Let's take a look at the Apam Balik. This is an Apam Balik. It comes in something that looks like a pancake or a crepe, and it has creamed corn. That's what this stuff is here, and the brown stuff is peanuts. And then underneath everything, which is melted, is sugar. So you really can't tell that the sugar is on there. But when you taste it, you will tell. Anyway, these are little snacks. You can see that they're relatively small, and they're usually pretty cheap. You eat 2 or 3 of these, and you are satisfied. This is the kind of thing that people will stop in their car and have on a trip. The burger we just looked at, you would never, ever try to eat that in a car. You would, maybe a car wash, but not a car. Okay, that's it. That's my meal. I'm going to say good night, and thanks for watching.